Hello and welcome back to my Eat Green Be Lean channel. I am your Eat Green Be Lean goddess, Deborah Clark, and I want to talk to you today about mood. During this pandemic and all that we're going through, I don't know about you, but I have been experiencing serious mood swings and sleep deprivation, uh, gut health. I've had some issues, and it partially is because I'm not able to get out and exercise and do all the things that I love doing. So I'm pretty much stuck at home in front of the computer, inactive. And so, one of the things that I wanted to discuss with you today is how to manage your mood with food. So, I'll talk about a couple of things. And number one is you want to eat regularly. If you eat regularly, this way you balance your blood sugar and you avoid it from dropping. If your blood sugar drops, your energy may lower. You might find out that you are in depression and you may not even realize why because you're not eating often enough. You can eat 3 to 4 small meals every 2 hours if you are eating properly. Now, you can't gorge on heavy, fatty foods, but if you're eating a well balanced, healthy snacks and diet, you should be able to consume those at least 3 to 4 meals a day. So some of those foods are proteins, nuts, seeds, apples. So yeah, make sure you load up on these. Another one is fats. Our brain needs fat to work healthy for us. So it will help your mood if you have the healthy fats, omega 3 fats, which are contained in a lot of fish. Salmon is one of the high omega fatty acid fish that you can have. Omega fats, I'm sorry, not acid. Now, also have a lot of avocados, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, almonds. So snack on these throughout the day for proper brain health and mood to help your mood along. You also may want to increase your proteins by eating lentils, beans, legumes, different seeds and lean meats, not meat with a lot of fat. So even if you eat pork, which you shouldn't, but sometimes I do like a nice lean pork chop, you might want to eat that. Now, if you're going to eat meat like this, lean meat, uh, paired with a vegetable, not with a starch. This is how you're going to balance your meals throughout the day to help your mood. If you're loading up on starch along with meat, for one, you're going to overfill and stuff your stomach. And what's going to happen after that? Then you're going to become sleepy, drowsy, and all that does is just create anxiety and depression and mood swings for certain, especially if you're working during the day. I practice the habit of not having heavy French fries and burgers and such because I'm going to get sleepy and drowsy and I won't perform well and function at work. So I prefer to have a salad with my lean protein. Proteins are also found in meat and seeds as well. Another tip for you is please, absolutely important for your mouth to consume a lot of water. You can't hear that enough. We are often told drink 8 to 10 glasses of water per day. Just work on it. There's so many different gadgets out here that you can buy that has reminder uh, tabs on them, how and when off and how often to consume water throughout the day so that you're able to get your 8 to 10 glasses in. Also, you may drink some herbal teas. I would recommend caffeine free. Absolutely caffeine free. You can make your own cucumber water, lemon water, which that's a big one for me. And so just drink a lot of water and stay hydrated. This also helps for your mood throughout the day. You also want to eat a rainbow and plethora of colors for your fruits and vegetables. Orange, yellow, lemons, pineapple, red apples, green apples, raisins even, and add those to your diet. Now, when we talk about eating 4 meals throughout the day, these are some of the recommended suggestions for you to consume. So just keep a lot of these uh, in your stockpile them really if you need to, which I do. I pretty much have a plethora of healthy foods that I can consume throughout the day. Also, you want to avoid caffeine. I am a coffee drinker. Yes, I am a self-admitted coffee drinker, but I am just down to just 1 cup. That's it, no more. Now, chocolate has caffeine in it, and absolutely avoid the teas, especially those blended teas. You want to select natural teas and herbs that are not a blend. You want to get you can find those in the bulk section in your healthy grocery stores, and you can select the type of herbs and teas that you prefer to drink. So let's get plenty of fluids. Let's eat healthy proteins. Let's get some avocado, every color in the rainbow of healthy fruits and vegetables. Okay. And basically you want to, you can eat yogurt. I have an intolerance for dairy. I don't prefer dairy at all. I'm not recommending any dairy in this video. I am saying that you can get your protein and your caffeine, in your calcium in other ways. Broccoli is loaded with calcium. So if you want to consume calcium in your diet to have better mood health, you may do that as well. Don't forget to share this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. And you can manage your mood